Hello everyone, in the latest video we saw how to implement the snake game with high scores and everything, and now we are going to see how to create an overlay scene. So the code is works there isn't that much code here. So let's do that. I'm going to create a new scene that is going to be overlay scene. This is going to be a normal scene, and here we are going to have a method to render the overlay, the text with the score, and we don't need the overlay anymore. And then we have the score overlay. And then we can set it to something and score game score, something like this. Now this scene is going to communicate with the other one through event. In order to create an event, there are some events here that we can use, but we are going to have a game score updated event, and this is going to provide the score. And we are going to register to those events, and we are going to update the overlay there. So something like this, and once the score. So now we are going to attach the scene here. The idea is that this scene is aware of this, or maybe it could be provided elsewhere, but this scene, this overlay scene, shouldn't know how this scene works. It's only going to be communicated through events, through dispatched events. So here we are going to create a new scene container, and we are going to change it to the overlays. Now when the score is changed, we are going to dispatch an event. We are going to use the scene view, and we are going to dispatch this event with the new score. So now overlay. Well, actually, this code should also the overlay, and the overlay should also happen here. Let's move the code here. This is a normal container, and we are going to display the game over and the high score beaten events here. And for now, we are going to use events for this, I guess. So for example, here, this will be like an event. For example, we can have here a game started event. Then we can have game game over event and high score beaten event. So whenever we restart, we are going to dispatch this event, the game started event. Whenever we perform the game over, the same, and high score beaten event. Now let me restart, because in the videos that were lost, I figured out that only the innermost scene is reloaded. So this I won't be able to use the thing here. Game over event. Game started. Something like this, I guess. The score is being updated, but the events, we are not listening for these events. A score beaten event. And game started event. Game started. And game over. Over. The game started should probably remove the children from the text overlay. This is game over, high score beaten, and let's see, game over, okay. Perfect. Now it seems to be working as expected. So I think that's it. In the KorGE Snake showcase, I implemented this differently. So let me show you what I did. These are the videos that were lost. So I won't be able to show you everything, but let me try to explain it. So here I have split the code in several packages. So here we have the model that doesn't have anything to do with rendering. Here we have the game info, that is the game score. Now we have the snake. Here I didn't implement the new rendering code. I will copy it later. And what else? So this is for the snake, and this is probably different. The snake direction is here. Here we have the events. Here I did it differently. The overlay here only was handling the scores, and then I created this thing that was to support several states for a single scene. Here we have the scene main, and then we have this code that is run states in game. Run states that support setting a function that it's going to be the state. This is going to be the state for the in-game, and at some point when moving the snake, we change when we hit a wall or a snake, or directly not an empty, we are going to change to the game over state. So this is removing this view that has been passed. So all this is removed, and here we have this game over. Here we can have like even a while true with frame, and then we could do things here on every frame, like checking for keys instead of doing event based would be frame based. That could be another option. But in any case, here in the game over, we are adding a text. Then we are registering for keys, and when a key is pressed, it will return to the in-game. This solid red and text is automatically removed because the state machines create an intermediary container where we can register to events that are local to that state. Then here we were doing a normal twin for animating the game over. And I think that's it. You can check this code from the repository, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you. Well, actually, let me show you because it was slightly different, the animation, but more or less the result is the same. So yeah, now let's finish. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.